Running is not just a physical activity, it's a metaphor for life. It's about facing challenges head-on, pushing through adversity, and reaching the finish line. Just like in life, running requires discipline, perseverance, and dedication. You have to train consistently, fuel your body with the right nutrients, and maintain a positive mindset to overcome the obstacles that come your way. Running also teaches us about the importance of pacing ourselves. In a long-distance race, you can't sprint from the start and expect to finish strong. You have to find a pace and maintain it, conserving your energy for the final stretch. Every obstacle we face is an opportunity to grow and become stronger. Each step we take is a testament to our determination and resilience as we push ourselves to new limits and achieve greatness. Running is a journey full of highs and lows, twists and turns. It's about learning to embrace the challenge and setbacks, to stay focused on our goals, and to never give up on our dreams. Running is not just about physical fitness, it's about mental strength and fortitude. It's a reminder that in life, the journey is just as important as the destination. So lace up your running shoes, hit the pavement, and let running be your guide on this journey we call life.